Next time you step outside on a spooky, foggy morning, just know you aren't walking through the harmless weather phenomenon. You are literally swimming through a densely populated floating sky ocean that is absolutely teeming with biological life. According to a new massive 2026 study, fog isn't just that water vapor, it's a hyperactive, living, breathing microhabitat. Walking through thick fog is biologically the exact same thing as taking a casual stroll through the middle of the ocean. For years, scientists just assumed fog was a low-level cloud that existed to ruin your morning and serve as a backdrop for literally every horror movie ever made. But researchers spent 2 years trapping radiation fog in Pennsylvania and made a discovery that completely unhinged our understanding of the atmosphere. Yeah, forget everything you thought you knew about fog. In every single millimeter of fog water they capture, they found about 1 million bacterial gene copies. And these bacteria weren't just trapped up there by accident, they were absolutely thriving. Scientists found that the bacteria inside the fog droplets were physically larger and dividing at massively higher rates than the ones on the ground. Fog isn't just their Uber ride, it's their entire neighborhood. Now, if you're wondering what exactly is living inside these floating sky puddles, the absolute dominant apex resident is a genus of bacteria called Methylobacterium. And these guys are basically doing unpaid environmental cleanup for the entire planet. Instead of just chilling, they survive by consuming formaldehyde. Formaldehyde is the kind of chemical your body strongly prefers not to interact with. But these microbes actively hunt it down. They break down this toxic garbage up to 200 times faster than previously measured, effectively turning fog into a giant floating detox hub for the planet. They are literally doing the dirty work to clean the air you breathe. For decades, astrobiologists have been arguing over whether microbial life could permanently survive suspended in the clouds of other planets. The prime suspect, Venus. The surface of Venus is basically an actively hostile boss fight that melts lead, but about 55 kilometers up in the atmosphere, the temperature and pressure are surprisingly exactly like planet Earth. The only problem was proving that life could even exist purely in an atmospheric state. Well, Earth's fog just provided the receipts. By proving that life can permanently reside, feed, and reproduce inside suspended water droplets here on Earth, it immediately validates the theory that the exact same thing could be happening in the clouds of Venus right now. It means the terrifying extraterrestrials we've been expecting aren't little green men plotting world domination, but just some floating sky mall treating a deadly acid cloud like an all-you-can-eat buffet. So, the next time you see fog rolling in, give it some respect. It's not just a physical weather condition, it's a dynamic biological cleanup crew that might just hold the secret to alien life in our solar system. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and share your thoughts down below.